And now, your Fox 34 Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Bobby Johnston.
8:19 right now, still 59 degrees here in Lubbock. Another cool start to the morning. Southeast wind at 6 miles an hour. Still will continue that light wind throughout the day, only about 10 to 15 miles an hour. As you can see, our temperature by lunch at 78 degrees into the 80s here this afternoon. High for Lubbock at 86. Lots of sunshine continuing throughout this afternoon. Looking at the latest on Hurricane Florence, still has that west-northwest movement, about 17 miles an hour. You can see that well-defined eye, and still a Category 4 hurricane, still a major hurricane with the max wind speeds at 130 miles an hour. This will continue to track and should impact it will continue to impact the North Carolina coast and South Carolina coast. That's where they have the hurricane warnings in effect right now. Also, we have the hurricane watches going all the way down to the southern tip of South Carolina and also into the coastland there. That's because Hurricane Florence is actually going to hit the coast and then just kind of slowly drift off to the south as we get through the weekend. Should impact the coast as we get into late Thursday into Friday. Then, as you can see, it takes that southward trend going all the way to South Carolina, maybe even into parts of Georgia. Some of the models are taking it. And then, of course, taking it back to the north. But what that's going to do, that slow tracking, is going to drop a lot of heavy rain. And they also have the high wind gusts that they're going to be dealing with in that storm surge. So a lot of destructive powers with this storm. We're also watching another storm into the Gulf of Mexico. This is continuing to move a little bit closer to the Texas Gulf coast. And as it does, it's going to bring a lot of heavy rain for the coastline. So if you are traveling this weekend, there is a flooding concern going along the coast of Texas. For us, that might just bring us enough moisture, that system into the Gulf, to get us some showers and thunderstorms here Saturday, maybe even into parts of Sunday. Overall, lots of sunshine with our highs into the middle and upper 80s, lows into the mid 60s.
Felt good this morning.
Yes,
walking
nice
outside.
out there and crisp.
Oh yeah, it felt like fall's coming.